Some of these men believe that a woman is only for pleasure. A woman is only for cooking and sewing, making babies. But according to the way I understand the Quran, for every male attribute, there's a feminine part of it. So if Allah is Alim, a sister can be Alima. If Allah is Hakim, the sister is Hakima. If Allah is Jamil, the sister is Jamila. Why? Because the woman can reflect the same attributes of God as a man. But if you stunt the growth of a woman, you stunt the growth of a people. You destroy the future of your nation. You must lift the woman up.